Hey folks, my name is Krishna and welcome to today's video. We're going to look at drawing the back view for male characters, superhero, muscular types, but you can really apply it to any body type, and you can also apply this to even females as well. So here are just a few examples of things that I've drawn. Let's go ahead and take it from the top. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to consider the pose that we want to draw. I always like to start out with some kind of a curved line. And this curved line is a simplified representation of the spine. And without going into too much detail in terms of anatomy, just to give you enough to where you can get started, we're going to represent the shoulder area by two cylinders. We're going to represent the pelvis area as another cylinder as well. And if we look at the back, we can kind of look at this shape here. It's a triangular shape, and there's another shape. It's almost like a cross. If we really look at this carefully, we're almost creating this cross shape, right, for the back. And that's something that's a good landmark to keep in mind when you're actually trying to draw this stuff. And then we're going to use our drumstick technique, right? We have this, and I've got that in another video. This drumstick is a really good way of visualizing things like torsos, arms, and legs. We'll draw a shoulder blade, one drumstick here, and this drumstick will move out away from us. And let's move this other arm back. So we'll just draw this drumstick like so. And we can draw the head. The head is leaning forward. Head is not like a lollipop, it's actually leaning forward. If you look at your own profile, your neck is not like this. It's mostly like this, right? And then we can do a drumstick for hands, etc. But now I'm getting too far into the weeds here. So this is the basic concept. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this concept and draw a few different examples here in real time so you can see how I'm doing this, and maybe in that observation process there might be some additional insight that you can glean from this. All right, so here we go. And I'll just leave off the head. I'll focus on the appendages. That drumstick technique is incredibly useful for drawing dynamic character poses. So we've got another one here. Let's add a little bit of curvature. Let's make this a little bit more extreme. And this time, let's just rotate the canvas over, make it even more interesting. So we've got one shoulder blade that's coming out like this, another shoulder blade that's coming out like this. Got our cross, drumstick, and we'll draw the butt as a drumstick as well. So we've got the head, the drumstick for this arm. We'll move this arm out, shoulder blades, and we'll bend this arm, creating another drumstick here. And don't be afraid to turn the canvas around and rotate it. That's another really useful tip that I think a lot of artists utilize. And then this foot right here, maybe we might see a hint of the leg, and another drumstick there. It's more of a foreshortened leg. And now we've got this guy tipped over. And we'll just do one more for the sake of posterity here. And when you're using references to draw from, these are just drawn from my head right now, and I think that as you're learning how to do this stuff, it's always a good idea to have references, but you can always practice this even when you don't have references. something that you can do in your sketchbook. This time, let's just move the arms, move both arms backward. And so we've got the head, here's the neck, head, and then we've got the shoulder blades. Shoulder blades are basically like little caps, right? That's what I'm drawing here. Got another drumstick. We'll draw another drumstick for the butt. There's the foot. Maybe this other foot is kind of kicking forward. Like so. And we've got our character's hands, and we can always adjust this. This is probably a little bit too close, so what I might do is just move this out so I don't have either a tangent or parallel tangent. So give that a practice. Try that drumstick approach. It works great for backs. Remember, the major shape here is this cross. And if you can look out for that when you're drawing characters, I think it's going to be very, very useful. If you found value with this video, definitely would appreciate a thumbs up. We're getting a lot of subscriptions to this channel, and I do appreciate each and every one. Drop me a line on what you'd like to see next. And as always, thanks for watching the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.